Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you'll enjoy this video. Today we're going to talk about Franken-Planning and what it means to me and how I'm actually Franken-Planning some of my planners together. So this is my classic size home planner, and it is in this classic size deluxe cover from the Happy Planner. And on the front here I just have this Super Mom #MomLife. I think it's called a planner patch, but it's like a padded or almost like a foam sticker that I just decorated the front of it with. So I like the deluxe cover because on the inside we have pockets here. So I just keep some upcoming bills and like some checks that I did mobile deposit, and then some extra stickers. So the actual idea behind Franken-Planning is taking multiple planners and putting them together almost like Frankenstein, multiple body parts and pieces together to make one complete planner. So what I've done here is I've taken 1 month of my home body dashboard layout. So I'm just going to do 1 month at a time. And then I also have my budget planner. So I'm trying not to show you too much of my private information here. I have my budget planner with my planner companion for budget in here. I did a flip through of the budget planner companion on my channel. I'll try to link that above for you. So I have a budget section. Within my budget section, I am using 2 different budget planners. So I have one for home, and then I have one for myself. So I have my top tabs here labeled. This one for myself is for my personal account and for my YouTube and Amazon incomes, as well as some other income that I do have. So I also have an ideas tab. Next I have zones. So what I'm going to try to do is not really follow the Fly Lady system per se 100%, but I did break my home into different zones. So I'm using the Vintage Botanicals monthly layout planner to put my daily to-dos for my zone cleaning. So I'm going to try to limit myself to 1 hour a day of actual deep cleaning. So this is not actually like washing dishes or normal things that I would do every day. These are things like cleaning out the refrigerator, the windows, walls, cabinets, things like that. So if I can't get these things done in an hour, then it'll just have to go on to the next week or whatnot. So then my next section is ideas. So I did these little inserts, and I'm not a big fan of inserts, but I just thought I'd be cute one night. I was sitting here playing, and so I have a morning routine sheet that I'm going to keep referring to. I want to get on a solid routine. And then I have some zone cleaning sheets where I actually broke my house into zones. These are I like using these daily sheets from the Happy Planner. So these are just some samples of the daily sheets that I can reflect on. And then I have meal plans. So in my meal plan section, this is a dashboard tab out of the home extension pack that was released in March. That's the only thing I use out of that extension pack right now. I have a meal list of my go-to meals anytime I'm meal planning. And then I have some recipe cards back here from the Happy Planner recipe planner. And I keep these here just for the week that they're actually on the menu. And then this is the monthly extension pack. So this is something that was just recently released, and what it is it's the months only. So every time you flip directly to a new month. So what I'm using this for is to plan out our meals for the month, and what I'm going to try to do is do a once a month meal plan grocery list. So I'll still have to go weekly, but I do want to try to basically have everything for our meals already purchased for the month, and then I'll have to get things like bread and milk every week. So then I just have some extra sticker sheets in here that I can use for my monthly extension pack, and I have a notes section with just some blank note paper. And I did take my folder out. I usually have a folder in my planner, but I took it out because I do have these pockets. So as you can see, for this Franken-Planner, I have multiple things in here. So I have actually 2 different planners, which are the Vintage Botanicals and the Homebody. Then I also have 2 different budget planners, and I have the meal planner or recipe planner, different pieces from that. So this is one example of a Franken-Planner. So I've taken multiple planners and put them all into one so that everything that has to do with our home and what goes on in our home is right here in this planner for me. Now I do have, if you can see, all of these top tab dashboards. So the dashboards are from the Planner Babe line, and then the little labels, I just use the clear silhouette sticker paper and I use my Cricut to cut those out. So I just like the look of the clear labels. Now I want to show you my faith planner as well. So this is actually a vertical faith planner. Let me see if I can find an example. Okay, so this is what this faith planner layout looks like. So it's vertical and it's a scripture reading plan and keywords up top. Then it says observation application. I don't like this layout. To me, this is not enough room for me to write notes every day. So what I've done is I have Franken-planned this planner with this horizontal layout planner. So I actually took out all of my weekly inserts out of the faith planner and replaced them with the weekly inserts from the horizontal planner. So this will be next week. Today is Sunday, so this will be starting tomorrow. I've already decorated it. I don't have a video because I was just playing around. I'm not even sure if I'm going to do Plan With Me's on this faith planner. But basically what I did was I took the January dashboard tab and the monthly from the faith planner, and I attached the first page of the week of the horizontal planner to the back of the monthly page here so that I can flip straight into my planner. So here's what it looks like. So I have my weeks here. These are all horizontal. And then once we get to the last week in January, this would be the back of the horizontal planner. And then this would be the back of the faith planner. So I'm actually going to tape these two pages together. So this is Franken-Planning, 2 planners to make one. So I'll show you how I just do this real quick. I just use my Tombow tape runner, put a little bit of tape around the edges. And I like to do this when it's actually in my planner. It makes it easier to line up the pages so that they are good and lined up and you don't get your disc punched holes off center. So I just put a little dashes of tape around the edges, and then I take my back page from the horizontal planner and lay it like that. So now I have a complete planner. So let's flip through that again. So we have the faith planner, open up to the faith planner month, and then we go into our horizontal layout that I got out of the other horizontal planner. And then this is our last week in horizontal, and we go to our currently page in our faith planner. So I have not taped February down. You can see that I need to do that. But this is another example of Franken-Planning. So when someone says Franken-Planning, you know that it's basically like Frankenstein. So they have taken multiple parts and pieces from different planners, put them together to fit their needs. So I hope this video helped you to understand what Franken-Planning is all about, and I hope that you will not be afraid to explore your own methods of Franken-Planning. So planning is all about making your planner work for you. And it has taken me several months to finally have what people call planner peace, but I think I have planner peace with this. I do not get overwhelmed, and everything is right where I need it. I can find it. So I really love the Franken-Planning method, and Happy Planner makes that possible because of the disc bound system. You can pull things out of one planner and put into another. So if you guys have any questions on Franken-Planning, make sure to leave those in the comment section below, and I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. And if you like this video, I hope you'll give me a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you will consider. And if you do subscribe, make sure you hit that little bell on the side there so you don't miss any notifications every time I upload. So I'll see y'all on my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.